inside these two boxes are two amazing products here to save your summer. Because listen, as much as we love our phones and computers and all our tech, there are times you want to just disconnect, maybe jump into a pool and cool off. But if you've got a pool, you know it's not just bathing suit and sunshines. Sometimes you're in for a nasty surprise. All right, so that's why I'm teaming up with this video sponsor, Aiper, to show off not one, but two amazing pool cleaning robots. One of them's got something that I've never seen before to show you how to keep your pool fresh, clean, and always ready to use. Before I dive in, I want to thank you guys for watching the channel all these years. Give me a chance to do my favorite thing that I do. Give you a chance to win $500. Made it super easy. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me your favorite feature about one of the Aiper robots. Tell me a fact about yourself. Tell me a dad joke. Tell me anything that you want. Just make sure there's a way to contact you, either with your social handle in the comment, or if I click on your link, a way to contact you on your YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up. We'll let this run for 10 days, open to anyone in the world. All the information you need will be in the description. Meet the Surfer S1. It is a solar-powered cleaner, perfect for skimming the top of your pool. And this big boy, the Scuba S1 Pro, is a fully cordless robotic pool cleaner that can literally drive itself down the walls of your pool, do all the cleaning for you. So, all right, let's start with the Surfer S1 because cleaning your pool does not get any simpler than this. So it looks like a solar panel on top of the unit is in fact a solar panel top of the unit, which means this thing can recharge itself and clean your pool at the same time. It's got 12 hours of battery life, but the Surfer S1 is getting low. The special sun seeker algorithm kicks in and ensures the unit can find ample sunlight to quickly recharge. So it like knows where the sun is, will drive itself there, chill out, get some juice, and then go back to cleaning. And if you want to, do it the old-fashioned way. You can always just like plug it in, but the solar panel makes it way cooler. And if you can tell, I'm excited about something like this because I have a pool. Cleaning it's a pain in the butt, and I've also tested a lot of pool cleaning robots, and charging those pool cleaning robots is also a gigantic pain in the butt. This solves everything. This seems like put this thing in the pool, sit back, maybe pour yourself like a margarita, listen to some tunes, and then just like watch a robot do all the dirty work. And then you could take credit for a clean pool, like, oh, I did that myself, and then pull the robot out. No one has to know. Obviously, using this thing is as simple as doing this. And I'm miming just dropping it on the surface of your pool, letting it get to work. And it's going to automatically use a combination of ultrasonic sensors and brushless motors to quickly capture debris as it snails around your pool. All right, so it's got a large 5-liter debris basket, so it's got a ton of room to store all that gross stuff that's gonna find its way into your pool. And it also has got ultrasonic sensors to automatically detect your pool walls, so it can turn around and not do this in the corner of your pool. And yes, that's an Austin Powers reference in 2024. And listen, I can tell I'm excited about this stuff because this is really useful technology, and Aiper is doing an incredible job about bringing this to the market. And one of the things I think is so cool here is that this is just like the ultimate like plug and play tech, or in this case, drop and go solution for pool cleaning. It's going to work with almost any type of pool shape and size. It's got 2 retractable support beams, which doesn't get stuck on pool steps. It's got a full-fledged companion app for checking in on things, even in manual mode if you want to have some control or even some fun. The bottom line here is that with the Surfer S1, your pool will always be ready for swimming. All right, but what if you want to, excuse the pun, dive a little bit deeper? You want something a bit bigger, do some deeper cleaning, get all that gross stuff off the bottom of your pool, but also you want something that's gonna like maybe climb up your walls and clean all the stuff that's there as well. Meet my friend, slightly larger, the Scuba S1 Pro, with the ability to clean pools up to nearly 2,200 square feet, which is really big for a pool. This robot uses a combination of 2 brushless motors, 2 brushless pumps to scale and clean your pool, literally able to drive down the side of your wall and clean the bottom of your pool. And watching this thing go under is like watching almost like a Terminator sci-fi movie. In addition to all of that, super unique feature is the ability for this thing to clean horizontally. So it can clean the pool sidewalls as well, and the water line where a lot of gunk and debris and sort of stains can eventually build up. This is all powered by Aiper's Waveline technology, using a combination of sensors, motors, advanced technology, and a little bit of magic seamlessly move your S1 Pro around the pool. This is giving you full top to bottom cleaning experience. We're talking cleaning sidewalls and cleaning the bottom of the pool automatically without you having to do like literally anything. And like the Surfer S1, you got a full companion app if you want to dive deep into the details or even sort of take advantage of eco mode. It'll run 45-minute sessions 3 times a week. Keep your pool swim ready. It's packing a dual filtration system with quad brushless motors to scrub and suck all that nasty debris from your pool into this large 5-liter basket. It works with a ton of different pool materials, even support pools well over 2,000 square feet. So look, no pool owner wants to spend their summer free time or kind of make the kids do it, cleaning the pool. You want to dive in and enjoy. And if you're looking for an extremely easy way to keep your pool clean and ready for swimming, Aiper has an absolutely incredible lineup of products that will do all the hard work for you. We've got incredible technology. These things look cool, and your pool will be spotless and ready for summer.